Hi friends, let me show you these beautiful water bottles for my dogs that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, I got a blue one for my dogs and a pink one for my female dog, okay? These are great. As you can see, you can bring them with you when you are going for a walk, hiking in the beach, in the park, in the mall, wherever you go with your dog. You will be able to, feed her with water with this portable water tank, okay? Let me show you how to use it. You want to pour your water. It's a 19 ounces bottle, so you have plenty of water. Okay. You want to close it, of course. And when you close it, there's no water coming out, no leakage, nothing. You can bring it with you, put it in your car, in your purse, in your travel bag, whatever. And when you want to use it, you just open the lid like this, and you are going to turn it a little bit like this, and you get the water out. Enough water for your dog, you close it again, and you give the water to your dog. Let's do it. That way, you can give water to your dogs when you are walking, when you are away from home, and they will be really happy to have it. Not the bottle, just the water. Okay.